In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress website for beginners. We'll build a clean website on WordPress.com using its AI site builder so you can move fast without touching code. Just a heads up, publishing requires choosing a paid plan. I'll guide you through the whole flow, and you can still preview most changes along the way. First, head to WordPress.com sites. On the site's dashboard, click Add New Site. Choose Start a New Site. If you're prompted again, click Start a New Site to confirm. Next, select Create with AI. This opens the AI Builder panel where highlighted fields guide what you enter. From the suggested goals, choose Launch a Coaching Site. That sets a helpful starting point, but the same process works for other site types. Now click into the highlighted fields to add details. Type a concise description of what your site is about and list the pages you want, like Home, About, Services, and Contact. In the next highlight, add your preferred tone or keywords that reflect your brand and audience. Clear, specific prompts help the AI generate better layouts and copy. When you're ready, click Create My Site. WordPress will brew your site for a moment. Just let it finish. When you see that your site is ready, open it to choose your next steps. Let's start by shaping your design. Click Customize Colors to apply a palette that fits your brand. Aim for 2 or 3 core colors and make sure text contrasts well with backgrounds for readability. Then select Change Page Layout to explore pre-built sections. This lets you rearrange content quickly without manual drag and drop everywhere. Next, choose new fonts to set a clean, consistent typographic style. A strong heading font paired with a simple body font keeps your site looking professional. Add structure by selecting Add New Page and create any pages the AI didn't add. Keep page names short and clear so navigation is easy. For more tools, open the What Else Can You Do area and choose Edit Navigation. Organize your menu in the order you want and remove anything you don't need. Fewer top-level items usually make the menu easier to scan. When everything looks good, click Launch to go live. You'll be asked to choose a plan. Review the options. Personal is great for a simple site, Premium adds more design control, and Business unlocks advanced tools and plugins. Click the plan that fits your needs. You can always upgrade later as your site grows. Complete checkout to publish. That's it. Your AI-built WordPress site is up and ready. You can return anytime to refine colors, layouts, fonts, pages, and navigation as your content evolves.